Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Aman with me, 8 each in PTE, and this is personally for me as well. It's a very big achievement. We have worked together for 1 month, Aman, and you have done it. I remember I met you on the first day. You were running late for the class.
Yes.
I asked you to make sure that you're regular in the lab. 1 month, you were standing around 70s when you came here.
Yes.
And now you've got 8 each. What do you think was the difference this time as compared to your previous attempts, which helped you to get this score?
First of all, I would like to thank to all of the Language Academy team, especially you, Varun.
Okay.
I remember those days when I'm lacking in my speaking and writing section, listening as well. I remember the time when I came here. I followed the right strategies for speaking, and I got my desired score. I got full mock test and lab sessions. I practiced a lot and followed the right strategies, get my desired scores. And I also thank to 𝗏𝗃 ma'am as well. So I got my desired scores.
That's right. Aman, I remember I used to ask you to do 30 reading blanks, and he used to tell me 30, I want to do 100 blanks.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the kind of dedication you need to have. You need to make sure that you put in your 100%. When I used to ask him that make sure you cover repeat sentences, he used to tell me I covered those while I was driving on my way, right? So it's very important. You are dedicated, you give your 100%. Aman, you have taken a number of sectional mock tests, you were regular to the lab sessions. When it comes to PT, as you told me before coming here, you used to get 19 speaking. Then all of a sudden you used to get around 70, 67.
Yes.
Doing the same things, right?
Yes.
And what was the difference? What did you feel? How important was the feedback when it comes to your speaking and listening section? How does the feedback helps you to improve overall?
I think it's very important to get lab session and once you get your revision there and you get feedback from you and other faculty members, because from yourself you're doing very well. If you get feedback, then you know about your weaknesses. So I'm doing a mock test every week, so I know my weakness. So I focus on my weakness and I got my desired scores and follow the right strategies for speaking.
That's right. So basically, when we practice by ourselves, we think that I'm doing everything correct.
Yeah.
Right? Because what happens, let's say if my friend goes for the exam, he gets the score, I'll ask him, what did you do? And I'll do the same thing. I think I have done everything correct, but I don't really get the score.
Yes.
Right? So that's what happens. But you need to make sure if you have got a strategy, you need to know if you're implementing the strategy properly or
yes.
not. Right? For example, if you've got a template, but if you're not really implementing it properly, or if you have watched any video, you think you'll just apply the strategies, but you're not really getting the feedback, you're not coming to know what mistakes you're making, things can be difficult.
Yes.
Things can be difficult. Any final piece of advice for students who are around 70s, as you told me you were, and you thought that, I don't know why I'm not getting the score,
yes.
I don't know if I'll get the score, any advice for them, please?
I highly recommend the Language Academy who was lacking in any module in the PTE. This institute is well established, or they have no full strategies how to get desired scores, whoever in lacking in listening or especially in speaking. So come here, join Language Academy and get your desired scores within a short span of time.
Thanks for that, Aman. But guys, I have one thing which I would like to point out, right? There are a lot of students who join the institute, right? I'll
yes.
be very honest, but they're not regular,
yes.
right? And they even come up to me after 2 months or 3 months telling me that I haven't got the desired score. You have got the score in 1 month. It's not about like you just came here and you got the score. That 1 month, I know how hard you have worked.
Yes.
Right? You have studied, you have worked at the same time. You used to study at work as well.
Yes.
Right? I know that he has covered reading blanks twice or thrice.
Yes.
Right? From multiple websites. So it's not about just the strategies. If you think I'll give you something and you'll get the score, that's not going to happen. You need to make sure that you have got the right strategies, right direction, right tools, and you know that you are putting your 100%. If you need to get your score, if it's your PT or NAATI, you also need to make sure you give your 100%. If you do, we are going to give 120% and we are going to get you the desired score. Congratulations, Aman, once again. Very well done. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you are as consistent as he was and get your desired score. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.